Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to remove stains from old painting. Open your image and zoom into stains spots. Select a soft clone stamp brush, simple clean artwork areas, paint lightly over stains, match stroke directions with original brushwork. Change sampling frequently for variety, lower opacity for smooth transitions, and also fix color mismatches gently. Blend edges where stains disappears, recreate small details if lost. Add texture stroke for realism, ensure color tones stay consistent. Make the painting look